ecosystem play a critical role in maintaining environmental balance one way through the organic matter curricula. One key component of this curricula is litter, which is plant parts such as leaves, twigs, and flowers that fall to the ground. Litter not only provides ground cover but is also a primary source of organic matter and nutrients essential for maintaining soil fertility and ecosystem sustainability. In the edutourism park area of Bangka Belitung University, one of the dominant vegetation is Acacia mangium. This plant species is known for its high litter production due to its rapid leaf growth and year-round leaf seeding. High litter production has the potential to significantly contribute to the formation of soil organic matter, but its effectiveness is likely determined by the rate of decomposition. Litter decomposition is a critical step in returning nutrients to the soil through the activity of microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi. The rate of decomposition is influenced by various factors including litter quality, leaf chemical content, and environmental conditions such as temperature, humidity, soil pH, and light intensity. Objective number 1: analyze the level of Acacia mangium litter production in the edutourism park area of Bangka Belitung University. Number 2: measure the decomposition rate of Acacia mangium litter at various observation points in the edutourism park of Bangka Belitung University. Number 2: analyze the visual environmental factors that influence the influence of Acacia mangium litter on the rate of decomposition in the edutourism park area of Bangka Belitung University.
Methodology, time and place. This research was conducted in November 2025 in the Park Edutourism area of Bangka Belitung University, Balunijuk Village, Merawang District, Bangka Regency, Bangka Belitung Island 33172, which has diverse vegetation condition and a relatively natural environment. The research period is planned to last for 12 days on November 9, 2025. Including the stage of litter sampling, litter bag inspection, periodic collection, and laboratory analysis of decomposition. Result carried out at the biology laboratory of the Faculty of Science and Engineering, Bangka Belitung University. Tools and material: analytical scales, bowl for patting litter, ski sort, soil tester and thermohygrometer, wooden scale and pegs, open lux meter application, GPS application. Work procedure: determine the most dominant plant species, namely Acacia mangium trees. Then conduct a site survey and clean up the litter placement location. Plot 2, 20 times 20. Plot 4, 20 times 20. Plot 5, 20 times 20. And plot 6, 20 and 20. Environmental parameters are then calculated at the sampling points. Next, install the litter with a size of 1 meter times 1 meter as shown in the picture and wait for 12 days.
The next day.
After waiting and then carrying out analysis in the laboratory, the litter that fell into the trap was taken and weighed and the results were recorded. Then dry it in an oven at a temperature of 80 degrees Celsius for 2 times 24 hours or raising a constant weight. Then weigh it again, record it from the dry litter. Weigh 5 grams and then put it in the litter bag to see the rate of decomposition. Wait until the 12th day, then weigh the leaves in the litter bag again to see if there is any increase or decrease. Then the leaves that have been weighed are put back in the oven until they reach the desired weight. Do the same thing for the next 12 days. Result and discussion. The
environmental parameters results show that soil pH in all observation plots is near neutral. These conditions strongly support the activity of decomposition microorganisms, as most decomposition bacteria and fungi operate optimal and neutral to slightly acidic pH. Furthermore, soil moisture and air humidity are relatively and stable, indicate the microclimate conditions beneath the acacia magnesium stand are highly supportive of the decomposition process. The ambient temperature in each plot is also within the normal range and does not exhibit extreme fluctuation. Stable temperature allow for optimal microbial enzyme activity. Meanwhile, light intensity varies between plots but not significantly enough to cause a decrease in soil moisture. This indicates that canopy cover of acacia magnesium play a crucial role in maintaining microclimate stability in the study area. The litter production results show that the amount of litter production on day 24 is higher than of day 12, and this indicates that litter production is accumulative, means that the longer of observation period, the greatest the litter biomass collected. Wet weight is always higher than dry weight due to the water content is still retained in the litter tissue before the drying process. The increase in drying weight and litter productivity reflect the consistent contribution of organic matter to the forest floor by acacia magnesium. Differences in the litter production between plots are thought out to be influenced by microhabitat variation, such as different in canopy density, tree size, and local and environmental conditions. This high litter production play an important role in providing a source of the carbon and nutrient for the soil. Furthermore, the litter decomposition rate graphs show the decomposition rate and percentage of litter decomposition vary between observation locations. On day 12, the decomposition rate was relatively higher because it was still dominated by leaching of easily biodegradable compounds such as sugar and simple nitrogen compound. This indicates the decomposition process has been active since initial phase. On the day 12-24, although the decomposition rate tended to be more stable and not as high as in the initial phase, the decomposition process was still ongoing. This is due to the increased proportion of complex compounds such as lignin and the calcium in acacia magnesium litter, which they take to longer decompose. However, the more stable environmental condition is still support activity and the decomposition fungi and microorganisms.
Conclusion. Number 1. Acacia magnesium litter production is high and sustainable, thus playing a significant role as a source of organic matter in the ecotourism park ecosystem at Bangka Belitung University. Number 2. The rate of litter decomposition is influenced by environmental conditions and litter quality, with near natural soil pH, high humidity, and optimal temperatures supporting the activity of decomposing microorganisms. Number 3. High litter production is accompanied by an activated decomposition process, thus contributing to maintaining nutrient cycling, soil fertility, and the ecosystem balance of the study area.